Welcome to the Magical Forest. Today, discover tiny moss, nature's superhero, growing without roots or flowers. Moss absorbs rain, traps nutrients, and cleans the air. It's like nature's little green sponge keeping forests fresh. Did you know moss teams up with mushrooms? Together, they create cozy homes for tiny forest creatures to play. Moss shelters frogs and bugs, a secret world alive below our feet, buzzing and hopping with joy every day. Though slow-growing, moss spreads wide and strong. It's nature's quiet artist painting forests green one step at a time. Thanks for exploring moss magic with us. Next time you walk outside, look close. Wonder awaits beneath.